Alright, welcome. Let's find the value of t in this equation. Solution. Okay, given 5 raised to power t equals 100. First, take the logarithm of both sides. Okay, we have here. Take log of both sides. Alright, so we have log 5t is equal to log 100. Okay, now from log m raised to power n equals n log m. So we have here t log 5 is equal to log 100. Remember, this is the power t, so this is the power n multiplying the logarithm. That's why t is multiplying the logarithm. Now divide through by log 5. So we have here log 5 divided by, remember we are multiplying t log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. So log 5 can cancel. We now have t is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. We can further express this as log 4 multiplied by 25, because 4 times 25 will give us 100. So all divided by log 5. From logarithm, recall that log m multiplied by n is same as log m plus log n. So let's apply it here again. We now have t is equal to log 4 plus log 25, all divided by log 5. Now 5 raised to power 2 is 25, and the 4 raised to power, and 4 is also 2 raised to power 2. Okay, let's go. We can now have log 4 plus log 5, all divided by log 5 is also expressed as log 2 raised to power 2 plus log 5 raised to power 2, all divided by log 5. Alright, so we can now have, remember it's t, t is equals to this. So we now have t is equal to log 2 raised to power 2 plus log 5 raised to power 2. Now this is log 5. We are now going to divide it each by log 5 divided by log 5. Okay? Okay. So what we are going to have here, t is equal to 2 multiplied by divided by log 5 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 5. So here now, log 5 can cancel log 5, remaining 2. Therefore, the value of t is equals to 2 log 2 divided by log 5 plus 2. So this is the value of t. Okay? Alright. Now let's check. We were given that 5 raised to power t is equal to 100. But this is the value of t. This means 5 brackets 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2. Okay, now divided by log 5. Will it give us 100? Okay, now from here we can apply change of base. Remember, we can apply change of base here and have t equals 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2. Okay, this or this. So we can now put it back here to have 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5. Okay, then plus 2. Will it give us 100? Alright, so we are given 5. We have here 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2. Okay, will it give us 100? Now, from here, recall when you have b raised to power log a base b. So when the base are the same, the answer will give us a. That is called cancellation law. Cancellation law of log 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 2 base 5 plus 2. Will it give us 100? Okay, so we have here 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 plus 2. Will it still give us 100? Now b raised to power m plus n is same as b raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power n. Let's apply it here also. So we can have 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Will it give us 100? Okay, from this law now, you notice that both the base and the base of the logarithm are the same. So we have 4. So we have here 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 is 25. Is it 100? Yes. So this is our right hand side and this is left hand side. Okay. So 4 times 5, that is 100, is equals to 100 is equals to 100 in both parts. Therefore, we can say that t is equal to 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2. Okay, so this is the value of t. Quick recap. 5 raised to power t is 100, t is dash. So 5 raised to power t is 100. Take log of both sides. 5 log 5t equals log 100. When you apply this power rule in logarithm, you have t log 5 is log 100. Then log 100, express it as 4 times 25. Applying product rule, you have log m plus log n. So you will now have t equals log 4 plus log 25 divided by log 5. Then solve further, you have the value of t as 2 log 2 divided by log 5 plus 2. Change the base here. You have 2 log 2 base 5 plus 2. Okay, good. So this is how you can solve this problem. For more on Olympiad maths, please check my previous lesson. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share.